Hey, and welcome to another episode of Bears in the Kitchen. I'm your host, Top Red Bear. Today I'm going to teach my husband how to do some garlic butter tilapia. Follow along with the recipe and let me know what you think about it in the comments. Our ingredients consist of tilapia, 4 pieces, garlic, I'm using minced garlic already, dill, weed, I use the dry version, or you can use the organic version that you buy. Butter, paprika, black pepper, and salt. Thank you, lovely hand model.
You're welcome.
We're going to start with preheating our oven at 350. Preheat. There you go.
You can teach a bear new tricks.
Yay. Alright. For the garlic butter, we're going to use a saucepan, which we already pulled out. You're going to use a whole stick of butter.
A whole stick, okay.
A whole stick.
Let's go.
Because I like a lot of garlic butter. And if you have leftovers, we can actually put it in the fridge and use garlic butter on a lot of different things. So we're going to use a half. So we're going to turn it on medium and let it melt.
Yes.
You know what? You do your own flavor. I'm going to turn it up so it melts faster. Make sure you keep the handle off the eye so it doesn't get hot.
Don't make it too hot to handle.
You married me.
I know. That's how I know.
Like watching paint dry.
No, this is more exciting. It's already melting. It's moving on its own.
More exciting. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, well, we're going to...
I love watching butter melt.
I love watching butter melt.
It's delicious.
So we're going to use our Chef Boyardee man.
He's faithfully holding...
your utensil.
Yes. The whisk.
Your utensil. He holds all your utensils in the kitchen.
Mm-hmm.
And no, I'm not Chef Boyardee. I might look like him. No, that's Pillsbury.
Oh, it is?
Yes.
Huh.
Pillsbury goes,
There you go.
nothing says loving like my biscuits in the oven. But they don't use that no more.
But you're right about that.
What? I don't do biscuits anymore.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
Sometimes.
Well, for you.
Yeah.
I can't eat bread. Is it melting? Yes, it is.
It is
It's
melting.
actually melting. Well, don't take off the hot eye. That will keep melting.
Mm-hmm.
Well, while it's melting, I like to do it a little faster. So we've got 5 tablespoons of garlic, minced.
Yes.
You're going to put it in there.
Okay.
Uh-huh. It'll still melt, I promise.
Okay.
Okay?
There it is. Oh, it's
right.
starting to boil. Do I need a whisk?
Well, you need to get the last bit out, yes.
Okay.
Ha ha ha. That's what the whisk is for.
Uh-huh.
Okay? Great.
Yes.
Now, yes, you can start stirring it.
Okay.
Now, we are going to use a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
Okay.
Notice I've already got this already measured out.
Thank you. So I just pour this in there?
You just pour that in there. And you're going to mix that together.
Okay. Here we go. Just biscuits.
But slowly, because you don't want to splash it.
Yeah.
Okay. We are going to use a 1/2 teaspoon of dill. I use the dry, and a 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. Now this is sweet paprika, but you can use any paprika.
Okay, here we go. There it is. All right, here we go.
Now you want to incorporate that. Notice how the butter's almost all melted now.
Yes. Okay.
Isn't he so dainty?
So dainty.
All right, so we're gonna let this cook for a minute. Basically, we don't want to boil it, so I'm going to turn it back down.
Turn it way down now.
And it's going to just sit there and simmer, and we're going to come back and stir it over a few seconds. Okay, so go ahead and stir it.
Okay.
Remember I said every few seconds. Why are we doing this?
To keep it warm?
Incorporating the flavor to all of the butter.
Okay.
That's what we're doing. Okay?
Okay.
So now that that's going, I'm going to pull our tilapia to the side. And what are we supposed to do from here?
From here, we are supposed to coat the tilapia in the garlic butter.
Okay, and so what are we going to do with our tilapia while we're coating it?
We should go ahead and put it in the baking.
Correct. So we need to grab a baking dish.
Yes.
See how it's boiling? Okay, so now you're going to remove the top.
Well.
Okay. I'll get it. Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Now you're going to set that on the stove.
Okay. Right here?
You can. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to take our tilapia. You can use your fingers and lay the tilapia out.
Okay. 1. 2. 3. 4.
I love the gold. Wait, what?
Tilapia. There we go.
Tilapia. Okay, so I've stirred it for you.
Yes.
Now that we have that in there, we are going to brush. So if you don't have a brush, what can you use?
Well, not your fingers right now.
No. You can use a spoon.
To drizzle.
To drizzle. Okay?
Well,
and then the back of the spoon to spread. But we do have.
Yeah, we want to use the brush.
We have a brush. But you still want to drizzle and then coat, correct?
Okay.
So how are you going to drizzle?
So you want the spoon first anyway?
You're going to use the spoon first anyways.
Spoon! Spoon. Okay.
Okay, you're going to stir this first.
Well,
stir
then,
it.
I drizzle, you brush?
We can.
Okay.
Sure. Okay, so now you're going to, there you go. You can pick it up and you're going to drizzle. You're not going to put a whole lot. Notice how it goes on top. Now you want to get some of the garlic too. There you go. See how much better that is now? You putting the garlic on top.
Okay, now brush that one.
I will. Now how you're gonna flip it?
My hand, I guess.
What with the hot sauce?
Well, it's not that hot anymore. It's on the fish. We can flip
Okay,
it.
that's fine. So what I'm gonna do?
Are you just gonna do that?
I'm just gonna do this.
Oh, okay.
See, because the bottom, you actually put extra garlic on the bottom, which is good.
Okay.
And then we're going to take this and just spread it over. See how it got more on top?
Got them.
And then we have all this extra. Okay, so now is our we have preheated our oven to 350 degrees.
Yes.
And now it's ready.
Perfect timing.
Perfect timing.
So
Always.
Now I can just slide it in.
How long does it cook for?
12 to 15 minutes.
Okay, so now we're gonna open up the oven and put that in. Now we're gonna put it in the oven. Go ahead and open the oven.
All right. Okay.
That is a dripping pan. So you're gonna take the tilapia and put it in the oven. And how long does it cook for again?
12 to 15 minutes.
12 to 15 minutes.
Can it
put
go sideways?
Well, I don't know. Can it fit? Okay. All right. Close it. And now set your timer.
Should we set 12 or set for 15?
I go in between about 13 is good, and then we'll check it.
Okay, there it is.
In 20 seconds, it should be ready.
Yep. I want to be prepared.
Be prepared.
Yes. Ever since somebody told me you are not prepared, I've sort of figured. Okay. Okay. There it is.
Perfect timing. All right, so we're gonna pull it out of the oven. Up, turn it off. There you go.
Okay.
Now pull it out.
Yes.
Now, how do you test it?
You got to make sure it's flaky
How do you make sure it's flaky?
with a fork. You want to test it right
Well, pull the rack out. No, leave that on the rack
here? Okay.
and pull the rack out. There you go.
See, I'm afraid it's going to tip
It won't.
if I do that.
It won't. So you're gonna take a fork. See? And all you're gonna do is, I take it from the end, and I think it's not done yet.
Okay. How much longer?
It says to be flaky, probably about 3 more minutes.
Okay.
So we're gonna put it back in. You're gonna preheat it to 350. Hit start. Hit start. Now you're gonna time it for 3 more minutes. There you go.
Okay.
Even we make mistakes.
That's not a mistake.
It's not. You're right. I tested and we're adjusting.
Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 0 counts.
0 counts. It's a number. All right. Do you like to do that? Turn it off.
Okay.
Okay. Now pull the rack out.
Okay.
All right. And that's flaky. So it's
Okay.
done.
Yeah.
So now you're gonna pull it out.
Okay.
Put it on the stove.
Okay, here we go. Ha! Got it.
Yay!
Okay.
Now we close it up.
Okay.
And now we plate.
Time to plate.
And for your favorite part and mine comes the taste test. Ooh, yeah. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. So this is your plate.
Ooh.
I'm going to get a little piece of fish,
Garlic butter tilapia.
garlic, and I'm going to dip it.
Ooh. Yes.
Ooh. What you think?
Hell yeah.
You heard it from the boss. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Bye.